So I often recommend that groups that want to take their phase gate to the next level create time boxes around their phases. Now, what is a time box? A time box is a set period of time when a team is working on something, and that's the amount of time they have. That's why it's a time box. You put the time in a box and you say, this is how much time you have. They're expected to do the best they can with the time they have to make the most of that time. And then when they get to the gate review doesn't move. If they've assessed that they're going to do a gate on November 30th, they do a gate on November 30th. And when they get there, it's possible they're not ready. And then you hold the gate review anyway. And this is one of the big differences. In so many organizations, teams have the ability to go to management and say, oh, we're not ready. Could you please give us another month or another 3 months or another 6 months? Or they can themselves decide when they're ready for a gate. And if that's the case, then the leadership has no control over the actual budget and resources being spent on a program or how long product development will take. So instead, what we coach teams to do is to treat it like a time box, have the events on schedule, and then use that as an opportunity to discuss how ready the product is and whether or not moving it to the next phase is the right thing. Sometimes it is. Sometimes the teams don't actually need to finish everything they thought they did in order to be ready for the next phase. Sometimes they're not. And sometimes the right thing to do is to genuinely give them another time box with another period of time for them to continue working. And sometimes the right answer is to kill the project. But the only way for a leadership team to be able to make those decisions is if they can actually see what's going on. And so actually holding the gate reviews on time and treating the phases as time boxes gives the leaders the ability to do that.